Earn 40K. Secret revealed. Free money?
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Welcome everyone, it's Sunny in Van, where Vancouver real estate truly shines. On this episode, we're going to cover what is the secondary suite incentive program and the incredible benefits. But before we get started on this show, disclaimer alert, the content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial or professional advice. With that being said, let's move on with the show. All right, we're over here at BC Housing and we're going to check out the secondary suite incentive program. Get up to $40,000 toward building a new affordable rental suite in your home. Applications will be accepted starting April 2024. Get ready to apply. What is the secondary suite incentive program? The secondary suite incentive program will help homeowners create affordable housing in their communities. The program will provide money to help homeowners create a new secondary suite on their property to be rented out for below market value. Homeowners who qualify will receive up to 50% of the cost of renovations, up to a maximum of $40,000. The program will provide a rebate in the form of a forgivable loan, a loan that does not need to be repaid if the homeowner follows the terms of the program. For the loan to be forgiven, the new unit must be located on the same property where the homeowner lives and must be rented out at below market rates set by BC Housing for at least 5 years. Are you eligible? The following summarizes the key elements of homeowner and property eligibility for the secondary suite incentive program. So who can register? So people that are owners of the property, Canadian citizens or permanent residents, live in the property as their primary home, and combined gross annual income of all homeowners on title less than $209,420 in the previous tax year. Determine your eligibility and apply for permits from your municipality now. If you are in the process of planning or constructing a secondary suite, applications will be considered if the building permit was received after April 1st of 2023. Number 1, find out if you're eligible. Check the eligibility in the tabs above. So if you are interested in this, make sure you go to bchousing.org/housing-assistance/secondary-suite to get to this page. Number 2, plan your project and prepare to apply. Check with your municipality to confirm if zoning allows for a secondary suite on your property. Arrange for contractors and financing and apply for a building permit as required. Number 3, gather documents and apply online. When applications open in 2024 of April, submit your online application through bchousing.org/secondary-suite. You will need documents demonstrating eligibility, so proof of residence and income and a municipal building permit. Receive approval and construct secondary suite. Once approval is received, complete construction of your secondary suite. That is step 4. Step 5, submit occupancy permit and proof of construction costs. Once construction is complete and occupancy permit is issued by your municipality, submit the occupancy permit and proof of construction costs to receive the loan. Number 6, rent out suite and maintain program requirements. Rent out your new secondary suite at an affordable market rent, and the loan will be forgiven at 20% per year over 5 years when program requirements are met. Now let's look at the PDF here, and I am going to make it a little bit larger. Secondary suite incentive program. Get up to $40,000 toward building a new affordable rental suite in your home. The secondary suite incentive program will help homeowners create new affordable rental housing in their communities. The program will provide a rebate in the form of a forgivable loan. A loan does not need to be repaid if the homeowner follows the terms of the program. The rebate will provide up to $40,000 for homeowners to convert part of their property into a new secondary suite. Applications will be open in April 2024 and will be available for at least 3,000 homeowners over 3 years. The program is part of the government of BC's plan to create more affordable housing in the province. How does the program work? Homeowners who qualify will receive a forgivable loan of up to 50% of the cost of the renovations, up to $40,000. Recipients will receive their rebate in the form of a forgivable loan registered on title. For the loan to be forgiven, the homeowner must continue to live in the home and the suite must be rented below market rates for at least 5 years. If you want to see the affordability rates, you can go bchousing.org/secondary-suite. Are you eligible? The following summarizes homeowners and property eligibility for this rebate. Homeowners, registered owners of the property, Canadian citizens or permanent residents, live in the property as their primary home, combined gross annual income of homeowners on the title of less than $209,420 in the previous tax year. The properties themselves are located within one of the 161 incorporated municipalities in British Columbia, have a BC assessment value below the homeowner grant threshold of 2.125 million in 2023. And the secondary suite itself has to be a new legal self-contained unit with a kitchen and full bathroom. Improvements to existing rental units are not eligible. Laneway homes, garden suites are eligible. Received municipal building permits on or after April 1st of 2023. What costs are eligible? Costs to be covered by the rebate must be directly related to the creation of the new secondary suite and include architectural and design fees, structural modification, electrical work, fixtures, appliances, 50% of the actual cost to a maximum of $2,500, building and trade permit fees, costs to obtain certificates, drawings, and specifications directly related to eligible scope of work, materials related to the approved construction, contractor, labor, not included work done by applicant or any member of the household, PSD and GST. The following costs are not eligible: extensions, conversions, repair, or replacement of items for the homeowners, labor costs for the work completed by the homeowner, landscaping costs. Applications will be accepted starting in April of 2024. Prepare to apply. Applications will be approved on a first come, first served basis until annual funding is used up. Take steps to determine your eligibility and apply for permits from your municipality now. If you are in the process of planning or constructing a secondary suite, applications will be considered if the building permit was received on or after April 1st of 2023. Hey everyone, now that's the end of our show. We hope this episode brought you a lot of value, especially with secondary suites and how to bring extra additional income to your home. If you have any unused space, this might be for you. Again, it is a forgivable loan up to $40,000. That's 50% of what you put in, meaning you would have to have put in $80,000 to get this forgivable loan for up to $40,000. This loan is forgivable over 5 years. So something to consider if you're really looking into updating your home with a secondary suite and making it legal. Well, if you have any other questions about real estate, if you're looking to invest, sell your home to find your dream home, and if you're looking for cash flow properties that you can rent out and get that rental income, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information is in the description below. With that being said, Sunny out.